Elections Calgary is addressing complaints of a slow and disorganized voting process on Monday. At a news conference on Tuesday night, Calgary's returning officer saying while there were locations where voters were done in 10 minutes, other polling stations had up to a 2-hour wait. Despite hiring 4,500 elections workers in preparation, the new provincially mandated changes was the main reason for the backlogs.
Not only did they have to look after the forms, they had to look after the permanent elector register, but they also had to issue 3 paper ballots. So that was a process that was implemented on top of the new forms. So all those individual little steps did add to the additional processing times.
Martin says she wants to share feedback with the province on how to improve the voting and ballot counting process for next time.
I would welcome a conversation with the province at any time. Having gone through the full process now, we've certainly observed things, so I hope that they reach out. If they don't, I imagine that I myself would put some of those lessons learned and I would submit it.
The Minister of Municipal Affairs shared his thoughts on Alberta at noon. Dan Williams telling listeners municipalities had ample time to prepare for the legislated changes that were passed last year.
I don't want to see delays. Ultimately, the municipality is responsible for administering the election under the rules set. We set those rules a year and a half in advance, and if municipalities struggled with those, I encourage them to put that into our feedback so that we can try and work on that. I don't think the solution is having the province take over the municipal responsibility, but of course municipalities can ask for that if they feel like they're not up to the task.
In the meantime, these election results are still unofficial until Friday afternoon. Terry Trembath, CBC News, Calgary.